Good day everyone. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to calculate correlations and perform linear regression analysis in Excel. So to do that, I have this data, which is the length of fish and the weight of the fish. So we want to see the correlation between the length of fish and the weight of the fish. So once you have this, your data, you want to see the correlation between the two. Now to start, highlight your data. Highlight your data. Then come to Insert. Come under Charts and click on Scatter Plots. Choose this first one. And here you can see the plots. So we can remove these headings or title. Then click on the line, come to Format and click on Format Selection. Here let's choose no line. You can see that the line has been removed. Then we can click here and move this a bit to this side. Then this border, instead of automatic, we can choose solid, or if you wish, you can leave it at automatic depending on you. Then the border line, choose solid, and you can choose the color, let's say black. Then the border style, let's increase it to 1.5. You can see it here. Then we can close this page. And also, if you wish to, you can expand the charts just like this. Then the labeling, click to select the labeling and come home. You can make it bold. Likewise, this one, make it bold as well. Then select the chart and come to design. Come to layout. Then come to axis title. Come to primary horizontal axis title and choose this one. Similarly, come back again and go to primary vertical axis title. Choose this one. So the horizontal is our fish length. So let's label it as fish length. Highlight all, make it bold, and we can increase it to 12. Likewise, this one, which is the fish weight, label it as fish weight. And also you can increase the font to 12 as well. Then select the plot, right click and come to Format Data Series. Choose marker fill and choose solid. Then we can change the color to red. Click on Close. You can see it here. Similarly, select it, right click and click on Add Trend Line. For the regression type, select linear. Select linear and come here, check this display equation on chart and also check display R-square value on chart and click on Close. You can see it here. You can bring it down here and we can change the font to 12 so that we can see it properly. Then you can select the trend line, come to Format, come to Format Selection, then come to Line Style and we can increase it to 1.25 and the dash type, let's change it to solid line and click on Close. So for the labeling, remember that the length is in centimeter and the weight is in kilogram. After you have done that, this is the linear regression. Now let's calculate the correlation. For the correlation, to calculate it, correlation is equal to correl, then open brackets and select the data, select the length, put comma and select the weight, close the brackets and press enter. Yes, here is the correlation value. So let's make it bold and increase it for better view. Then we can, yes, this is the correlation value. Then another method, or the second method of getting the correlation value between the fish length and the fish weight is this. Come to data. You are supposed to see data analysis here. If data analysis is not showing here, then you have to install it or enable it. To do that, come to File, come to Options, come to Add-ins, then come to Manage Excel Add-ins and click on Go. This will open this add-ins page. Then check Analysis Toolpak and click on OK. You can see that data analysis is now showing here. To find the correlation using this data analysis, click on Data Analysis and select Correlation here and click on OK. This will open this page to select or input the range. So you can click here and select the data just like this. Then click here to input it. Then here, group by column. Check these labels in first column. For the output options, select output range. And here, click here. Click on this button and we want the results to be here. So just select this place and click on this button. Then click on OK. Yes, you can see it. Here is it. You can equally increase it, make it bold and increase it. Yes, you can see the correlation value here is equal to the one we got in the first method. So you can see the correlation between the fish length and the fish weight. You can see the correlation here, 0.8861622249. So this is how to run linear regression and correlation analysis in Excel. If you have questions, let's know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.